They said the future of luxury would never look this dangerous.
But then, the Rolls Royce Spectre arrived. Silent, powerful, untouchable. This isn't just an electric car. It's a handcrafted luxury weapon built for the future.
Introducing the Rolls Royce Spectre in stunning metallic champagne gold, a masterpiece of ultra-luxury. The front profile of the Rolls Royce Spectre combines timeless elegance with futuristic innovation. From the special considered presence. At the rear, the Spectre reveals a sculpted aerodynamic design with futuristic performance. The side profile showcases an uninterrupted flow of luxury craftsmanship. The long coupe dist. Inside the cabin, the Rolls Royce Spectre offers an unmatched luxury experience. Beneath its elegant exterior lies a fully electric powertrain engineered for silent performance, instant Erasmus. Each Rolls Royce Spectre is crafted with extraordinary attention to detail. Precision robotics and hand-fist spoops. Each Rolls Royce Spectre is crafted with extraordinary attention to detail. Precision robotics and essence. The advanced adaptive air suspension system delivers the signature Rolls-Royce Magic Carpet Ride. The braking system is engineered for effortless control and confidence, combining advanced regenerative braking with precision. On American highways, the Spectre glides with near-silent performance. Its electric powertrain delivers smoothness. Even on challenging road surfaces, the advanced suspension system absorbs imperfections effortlessly. The Spectre delivers instant electric acceleration with remarkable smoothness. Long-distance driving becomes every aerodynamic detail is engineered for both efficiency and elegance. The luxury aero wheels and sculpted body lines. At night, the Spectre transforms into a glowing masterpiece of luxury design. Its illuminated eachix. From every angle, the Spectre embodies the future of ultra-luxury automotive design. Elegance. The handcrafted interior transforms every journey into a first-class luxury experience, combining advantages. Even in challenging weather conditions, the Spectre maintains elegance, confidence, and refined performance. From timeless luxury sedans to the revolutionary Spectre, Rolls-Royce continues to define the highest level of craftsmanship. Every detail of the Rolls-Royce Spectre is designed to deliver elegance, innovation, and extraordinance. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is more than an electric luxury coupe. It is the future of handcrafted automotive